So Wednesday's workout, we're going to do side leaping jacks. So a leap is from one foot to the other foot. So we're going to jack. And 6 squats with a quarter rotation to our knee. And I'm trying to keep my head to the sky and my back straight. And spider, spider, frog. Spider, spider, frog. I'll end up doing 4 of these. And frog or skips. Remember, knees go outside my elbows. And a forward lunge, 180 hop. So I'll be right back the other way. And crab walk. We're trying to hold a tabletop in this. And side shuffle, floor to sky. Then reverse lunge, quarter turn, in that forward fold in a V. And we'll go side roll. We'll start on the ground to a leap. So side roll here, and then leap. Remember, one foot to the other foot. Now the left to right, so let's go one. I come back the other way. I'm going right to left. There we go. Workout for Wednesday.